Hello! Welcome to my channel. Do you have diabetes or have you been worried about your blood sugar levels recently? If so, this video is for you. Today, you will learn about an amazing drink that every person with diabetes should be drinking every morning. This simple drink can provide incredible benefits that help manage blood sugar levels and support your health. In today's video, I'll share the details about this drink, the specific benefits for people with diabetes, and a simple recipe so you can start enjoying it yourself. First off, what is this magical drink? It's apple cider vinegar. Now I know some of you just cringed when you heard vinegar, but stay with me here. Although it tastes sour, the health perks of apple cider vinegar truly make it a superstar. For starters, multiple scientific studies over the past few decades have shown that apple cider vinegar can help increase insulin sensitivity and improve blood sugar control. Essentially, it helps your cells take up and use glucose more efficiently so that blood sugar doesn't spike as high after meals. Research has also shown that consuming apple cider vinegar, along with carbohydrate-containing foods like bread, can slow the rate that the carbohydrates are absorbed and prevent massive spikes in blood sugar. The acetic acid in the vinegar seems to be the key player here. Beyond blood sugar control, apple cider vinegar promotes weight loss by increasing satiety after meals and enhancing metabolism. Losing excess weight is critical for diabetes management, so this is yet another benefit. On top of all of that, the vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and enzymes in apple cider vinegar provide a major health boost. It contains key nutrients like potassium, magnesium, iron, and calcium that many people don't get enough of. The antioxidant content helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are elevated in diabetes. And it contains probiotics and enzymes that improve gut health, and in turn, the immune system. A healthy gut microbiome is so important for overall well-being. Clearly, apple cider vinegar packs a serious punch when it comes to health perks. So how exactly do you take it and make it part of your routine? The traditional way is to mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in water or tea and drink it before meals. I recommend using raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar to get the most benefit. You can dilute it as needed if you don't enjoy the strong vinegar taste. But to make this habit even easier and more enjoyable, I have a great apple cider vinegar drink recipe to share with you. I call it my morning magic elixir because it really does wonders to start your day off right. Here's what you'll need. 1 to 2 tablespoons raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. The juice from 1 fresh lemon. Several fresh mint leaves. 8 oz cold water. Simply add all the ingredients to a glass, give it a quick stir, and enjoy. The lemon adds a blast of vitamin C, and the mint provides antioxidant power, plus a refreshing flavor. I recommend drinking this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Not only will it help regulate blood sugar levels after an overnight fast, but it may also give your metabolism a jump start for the day. Some other tips for making apple cider vinegar part of your routine. Take it before any meal that contains a lot of carbohydrates or sugars to help blunt the spike in blood glucose. You can create an ACV spray to use on salads by diluting 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water. The acetic acid helps break down greens to maximize nutrient absorption. Add a splash to soups, grains, roasted veggies, and more to enhance the health benefits of your meal. If the taste is still too overpowering, try mixing it with a bit of fresh orange juice or adding honey and cinnamon. Incorporating just a few tablespoons of apple cider vinegar each day can create some powerful changes in your blood sugar control, inflammation levels, cholesterol, blood pressure, and more. It takes just a minute to mix up, barely costs anything, and has science backing up its multitude of benefits. So if you have diabetes, pre-diabetes, or simply want to improve your health, give apple cider vinegar a try. I hope you'll notice the benefits. Let me know in the comments if you decide to make my morning magic elixir part of your new health habit. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living well with diabetes. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.